The ear. Auricle. Eardrum to tympanic membrane. External auditory canal. Ceruminous glands. Auditory tube. Elastic cartilage. Semicircular canals. Vestibule. Cochlea. Auditory ossicles. Malleus. Incus. Stapes. Vestibular cochlear nerve.
Hi, I'm Inventy Tran, Professor of Biology at Montgomery College. Today we're covering the anatomy of the ear. Let's take a look at this model, the ear model. From here to here is the external ear. This part is called the middle ear. And here, this region, the inner ear. Now let's go over the detail of the external ear. Here is the auricle. This tube-like structure is the external auditory canal. This structure is called the tympanic membrane or eardrum. The external ear directs the sound into the middle ear. Let's take a look at the tympanic membrane again. The semi-transparent structure. On top of the tympanic membrane is a bone called the malleus. Next to that is the incus, and then the stapes. I am going to show you the much larger model. The three bones are called the three auditory ossicles: the malleus, the incus, and the stapes. For me to learn, I use the MIS, the MIS. So starting from the malleus, sitting on top of the tympanic membrane, the middle is the incus, and the stapes with very special feature. You can see the head and the base. The base look like oval shape. The three bones are the smallest bone in our body. You may want to see this. Malleus, incus, stapes. MIS, MIS. Malleus, incus, stapes. So here, the eustachian tube or the auditory tube allows pressure equalization. The oval window is at the base of the stapes, and you want to find the round window just directly inferior to the stapes. Here's the round window again. The inner ear includes the semicircular canal, the vestibule, the cochlea. It's now shaped structure. There are two substructures of the vestibule. You have to open it up. Okay, you see here, the upper U shape is the utricle. Utricle upper. Down here is the saccule. Both together is called the vestibule, responsible for equilibrium. You see the branch of nerve here? It is the vestibular branch. Now, the cochlea. You want to see the spiral organ or the organ of Corti go inside. There are receptors for hearing. And the branch of nerve here is called the cochlear branch. So both together you have the vestibulocochlear nerve, the 8th cranial nerve. External ear, here to here, include the auricle, external auditory canal, tympanic membrane, middle ear, auditory ossicles, 3 bones, malleus, incus, and stapes. Oval window at the base of the stapes, right below the oval window is a round window. Auditory tube, inner ear, semicircular canals, vestibule, cochlear. Vestibule consists of utricle, upper part, U-shape, saccule, cochlear, snail-shaped structure. Spiral organ or organ of Corti. Receptors for hearing in here. Vestibular branch, cochlear branch, both together, vestibular cochlear nerve, both together, vestibular cochlear nerve, the 8th cranial nerve.
Okay, I think that's it. Auricle. External auditory canal. Eardrum, tympanic membrane. Ceruminous glands. Auditory tube. Elastic cartilage. Auditory ossicles. Semicircular canals. Vestibule. Cochlea. Vestibulocochlear nerve. Semicircular canals. Cochlea. Vestibulocochlear nerve. Eardrum, tympanic membrane. Auditory ossicles. Malleus, incus, stapes. Semicircular canals. Vestibule. Cochlea. Vestibulocochlear nerve. auricle, eardrum, tympanic membrane, external auditory canal, ceruminous glands, auditory tube, elastic cartilage, semicircular canals, vestibule, cochlea, auditory ossicles, malleus, incus, stapes, vestibulocochlear nerve.